Unfortunate little bounce. It might work its way back down here for me to get a better entrance. 10 seconds. Stop loss is a 300 SMA in this trade. Profit target is the green line, which will adjust, of course, as it's a price channel. We are long here. That took a while to fill. TOS. I think it did actually fill. It took a while just for it to show. Anyway, we are long 100 shares at 381.14. Unfortunately, it is not showing my trade. If I change time frames real quick, would it show trades? Yes, it will. Okay. 100 in at 381.14. Current profit target is 381.69. That would be quite nice. Let's make back some of this money we lost on the overnight strategy short. Buy is giving us some strength here, giving us the opportunity to buy a dip. I'm quite happy. Every trade this strategy lets me take is roughly worth $30. The average return of this strategy is roughly $30, a little bit less. It's like 26, 27, but I'm being nice and giving it a little bit of extra leeway. So every time this strategy shows itself to me, like every time I'm allowed to take this strategy, it's worth 30 bucks. Now, of course, that's counting like losers too. Of course, it doesn't always make $30, but the average return is 30, so. Come on, little bounce here. Little bounce immediately, but still really nowhere near the sell yet, so it doesn't mean anything yet. Good evening. What's up, Wolf? How you doing, my friend? Good evening. What up, brother? Yeah, gonna wreck its fanboys. I think Tesla has wrecked anybody that was paying higher than 300 for it. We're up $22 in this trade. Oh, you can see my my daily P&L shifted. That bottom left P&L is now showing just this trade. I can fix that later to show my day P&L. Okay. Could set up an OCO with a limit, then it's a hands-free trade, no? Not really, because the price channel adjusts, so I'd have to do the same thing that I do now. I mean, it's a hands-free trade now, right? All I have to do is set my limit, then that's it. I mean, if it gets there, it gets there, and I'll get filled. If it doesn't, it doesn't, and I won't get filled. I don't have to have, I don't have to click any buttons anymore, except for when I have to either one, get stopped out, or two, have to adjust my sell. Trade like a computer, right? Trade like a computer, that's my goal. This is where the computer algorithm would sell the stock. It's where I'm going to sell the stock. A little bit further to go. We're about 15 cents short. I forgot I left you on the loudspeaker, went to get a coffee, came back, and I thought there was a random man in my room. Woof, I'm coming for you. Beep boop. Beep boop. Trading stocks, the computer here. You know when you have to hit that I am not a robot thing on websites? Yeah, I always fail that. That was so funny, streamer. Wow. Sorry. A little roll here, no follow through, no breaking out of the range yet. Of course, it's got to like break out for me to sell this, right? So see if it wants to do that or not. Back up to only up 20 bucks in this trade. Yeah, my own spy, a little push. Let's get up and out of this. Cheerleading my stock again. Go, spy, go. Go, spy, go. Spy, he's our man. If he can't do it, no one can. Still, 2 cents away. We just got 2 cents away. You're not going to do that to me, are you, Spy? You're not going to get 2 cents away and then roll over, are you? Even if that does happen, it happens. Once again, trade like a computer. The system, the strategy didn't get out there, so there's no reason to exit there. It still didn't get there, right? It's got to get there. Something I want to be a lot better at in 2023 is not selling early. Even if it is just a couple pennies, them couple pennies will really, really add up when you think about a whole year of trading, or even hell, a whole lifetime of trading. You have to get the right amount of wins in your wins. Also, it is rolling over. Gross. What a gross move. This can happen sometimes. I mean, that's part of I say this all the time, but as a system trader, my day can be very decided by pennies. It can be. I mean, we're not, we're nowhere near getting stopped out yet, but say this does now roll and stop me. It'll be because of 2 pennies that I didn't, instead of making 50 bucks in this trade, I lose whatever I would lose. But that's system trading sometimes. It can be frustrating, yes, but if you're going to be a system trader, that's how it goes sometimes. Also in good ways, though. I barely, just by a couple pennies, got to take this trade. If I make money in it, just these couple pennies got me in this trade back here, so it can work. It can work both ways. Tesla's not looking healthy. Tesla hasn't looked healthy all year. Yeah, I mean, short Tesla, whenever, by the way, my call on Hoth to short this out of the open might finally be coming to fruition. Like I said this morning, if you're finding green candles to short on a chart like this, it just can't be a bad idea, right? And right now you've got a green candle. Do you want to short it? I mean, if it's your strategy, you do, yes. If it's not your strategy, then, maybe don't trade anything that's not your strategy, but shorting green candles on a chart that looks like that just can't be a bad idea. And we are almost red in this trade. This is frustrating how close it got to getting me out, but hey, once again, welcome to system trading. Sometimes it can be hella frustrating. But I have found that I'm a much more profitable system trader than I am a discretionary trader. You could be a discretionary trader and make money. Sure you can. I mean, there's plenty of discretionary traders that make a lot of money, but system trading works better for me, for my philosophy in trading, my psyche. I made $82K last year, according to the IRS. Therefore, I have a 734 credit score and a credit card now. What? Credit score doesn't, well, it does care about what your income is, but it doesn't make your credit score go up, does it? I don't think it does. Does it? I don't know. I don't know exactly how credit scores work. Credit utilization is a thing, I know, but Novavax under 10, what the fuck? Yeah, we talked about that this morning, disputed. I've been telling you all to short. How long have I been saying to short Novavax? Since it was trading at like 250, I've been saying to short Novavax. Dumpy time? Yep. Wow, this is gonna really suck, huh? Really, Spy. Two cents away from getting me out, and they're gonna roll me over. Guess what? I'm gonna say something sadistic, and a lot of you guys probably aren't gonna agree with it, but I'm still happy I didn't sell here. Was I supposed to sell here? No. The strategy that I have proven is profitable in backtest and journaling is still in this trade, so I'm glad I'm still in this trade. I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Yes, it does suck. As a human being, it's frustrating, but I'm supposed to still be in this trade, so I am. It's just consolidation before the break. Have faith. We are bouncing back up, maybe. What's frustrating? You see, now the frustrating part is if I would have gotten filled here, 2 cents I would have gotten filled here, I would have rebought right here. So I would have locked in 50 bucks and now I'd be in another trade making more money. Well, if it gets up here. That's the I could have locked here and then re-entered. But once again, hey, as a system trader, this you're going to get put through the ringer by pennies like this sometimes. It's a part of it. Like beep boop. Beep boop. Okay. Come on. Back up 37. We're actually looking for a slightly higher sell here because, of course, this is a highest point of the last X number of bars back plus 10 cents. And since this got within 10 cents, it actually pushed the sell up slightly. Paper hands Trey would have sold. Sometimes losing is growing. Someone tweeted the other day that I saw a tweet. Maturing as a trader is taking a loss rather than breaking your rules. And I really agree with that. If you stick to your rules just like you're supposed to and you take a loss, good trade. If you break your rules and make money, bad trade. No one gives a... Well, the issue is too many people do give a damn, but you shouldn't care what happened. I don't care what happens in this trade. Even if this does roll and stop me out, what effect is this one trade going to have on the rest of my trading career? Next to none, if not basically none, right? Doesn't fucking matter. What is going to have an effect on the rest of your trading career is sticking to your proven strategy, right? 1,000,000% gains on Apple Tray. That's investing Tray. There's a difference between paper hands Tray and investing Tray. My Apple from like the low 30s to selling at 152. That was investing Tray. Investing Tray holds, baby. Danger, what's up, my friend? What algo is that? It's one I created, and I give it away for free because I am not an asshole. It's this if you want it. If you use Thinkorswim and want to use my strategy, please don't just take my strategy and start trading it. Prove it works for you. Prove it works for your risk tolerance. Prove it, like, back test it yourself. Don't take anybody's strategy and just start randomly trading it. But something I coded personally. My code. If you want it, like I said, I just gave you the link. Okay, we're up $50 in this trade. We're getting close to getting out. Well, I say that. We're still 17 cents away down here, but come on, Spy. Don't do it to me again now. You put me through the ringer, Spy, okay? You got me 2 cents away from getting me out. You put me through the ringer. I didn't panic. Don't worry, Spy. See? You testing me. The stock gods are testing me. My gods are testing me. Don't worry, I didn't panic sell. Now you can let me make my money, yeah? Here in 5 seconds, the sell condition's actually going to come down just like a tick. Literally 1 penny, it's going to come down, yeah. A literal tick. Frickin' zoom there. Come on, Spider. Two minutes. Do we get news at 10 o'clock? I know there's like oil news at 11 today. Yeah, there's oil news at 11 today. Oil reserves, gas stocks, and stuff. We get Russia's business confidence at 11. That should be interesting too. Anyway, still close to getting out of the trade. Hey! Locked in $62 in that trade. Nice. Nice. We actually ended up making a little bit more than we would have made if we sold here. Although, once again, if we would have sold here, I could have then bought here, but I'm not gonna bitch and moan. We made $62. Let's go. We roll. Just sticking to the strategy, man. Oh, trade. You should have sold. Nope. No, you shouldn't have. Good trade. This would have been just as good of a trade if this would have rolled and stopped me out down here. It would have been just as good of a trade. I want to hammer that home so badly to you all. Just, all that matters is that you follow your rules. Right? That's all you have control over. SPY didn't go up because of anything I did, or it's not going to go down because of anything I do. I can't make SPY move. I'm trading the freaking S&P 500, right? I can't make the S&P move. Only Atlas can make stocks move and make money off of it. You know? Oh shit, Atlas banter. Are in 100 shares at 381.5. Look at this. We just bought this dip, sold this rip, and then got another immediate dip to buy right back into. This is why we buy red candles and we sell green candles, right? Current sales all the way at 382.09. That would be amazing. But of course, the price channel will adjust the longer we are in this trade. Let's just get a big old rip, though, yeah? Let's just get a big old rip right up there to the current sell. Let's not let the sell come down at all, huh, Spy? Sound good? Sounds good to me, I mean. Thoughts on cash secured puts? Thought about them versus selling short? I like cash secured puts a lot. I sell cash secured puts on Google. I have a video about my wheel option strategy in which I sell puts on Google. I haven't been in a Google put in a while though because the volatility on Google got really low. I only sell options when the IV is high, and the IV on Google got really low. Although I should check it. I haven't checked it in like a week. I haven't been trading in like a week. But yes, I like selling puts a lot. I like selling puts on stocks that you want to own long term, right? I don't like randomly selling puts. But if you want to buy Tesla, say you're sitting there right now with the idea that you're going to buy 100 shares of Tesla if it gets to $100. Well, then you're leaving money on the table by not selling a 100 strike put. You can go sell a 100 strike put that expires in a month, January 20th, a little less than a month. A 100 strike put right now has a premium of $325. You can go sell that, and then if Tesla expires, obviously on that day below 100, then you have to buy it at 100, but you were going to do that anyway, right? And you still get to collect that $325 in premium, so it automatically lowers your cost basis. Or if it doesn't get down there, then you just get to collect the $325 of premium for free and do it again. Like, yeah, I wouldn't recommend just randomly selling puts like, well, I think this stock is gonna but if you want to buy a certain stock at a certain level, then you're wasting money by not selling a put. IV on everything seems super low right now, except Tesla. Yeah, the market's been a little just kind of chilling. Once again, except for Tesla, yeah. I'm waiting for the IV to get high again on Google. Let me look. Actually, I can look here. I probably have to log back into my Market Chameleon, where I look at my applied volatility on options to know whether I should or shouldn't enter. Oh, and I don't remember my login either. I might not be able to look right now. Never remember what I use to sign up with these websites on. By the way, we're up $30 in this trade. Nice bounce. Oh, nice. I used my Facebook. Yeah, see oh, by the way, let's wait a second. We're up $50 in this trade. We still got a little bit to go, but yeah, the current, so this blue line is the current implied volatility, and the lighter blue line is the historic implied volatility. Right now, the current volatility is still below the historic volatility, so it's not an amazing time to be selling puts. Like back here was a great time to be selling puts. IV was baked much higher into them. Right now, it's not. That's why I'm not selling puts right now. Anyway, back to our trade. We're up $42, and we are about 15 cents away from getting out. Ever thought about selling half at channel top, then moving the stop up to break even on the other half? Keep taking new trades. I've not thought about that. No, something I can back test though. I could try. I've never really actually. I'm not gonna lie. Not that long ago, I learned that you can make Thinkorswim buy or sell certain amounts per each order. I didn't even know you could do that before. I thought it was always just whatever your global setting is. So I've never actually tested like selling partials, because I just learned you could even do that. So maybe I should test that. Yeah, maybe I should do some like selling partials tests. That's a good idea. I'll probably run some of that tonight. Because like I said, by the way, we're out of this trade. Another win. Very nice. Bang, bang. Immediate dip. Bang, bang. We're up $121 day trading already. It's 10:09 in the morning.